we're on a topic how the taste is transmitted, right? And section B that we're going to start now has a topic of maliach keroiseach. Okay, so what does it mean? Transmittal of the taste through salting. So, let me see if I can find the list. We had the list, but I don't remember where was it. So one is just 1 second if I can find. Don't remember what was it. But salting one of them through liquid was another one, through fatty surface was another one. Okay, so now we're talking about transmittal through salting. Okay, salting in a proper amount can also affect taste transmittal. This is known in Talmudic terminology as maliach keroseach. Salting is equivalent to heat. Right, very interesting. However, salting, so equivalent to heat meaning that it's going to cook. That's what equivalent to heat. It's not like it's going to make the food warmer. However, salting differs from soaking with regard to the area affected by the taste transmittal. Right, while soaking can transmit taste throughout the food, salting can transmit taste only on a klipa. Literally the amount fit to be peeled. There is a sliver. Okay, there is a tiniest outer surface of the food. Salting also differs from soaking with regard to the amount of the time necessary to affect the taste transmittal. While soaking effective only after the food have been soaked for a specific period of time, foods that are salted together transmit taste to one another immediately. So that's a big difference. Even we said with the soaking, some foods like it affects much quicker. Some it's only 24 hours. Okay, but here is immediately. Okay, so transmittal of the taste is immediately. So let's maybe read this one more time, and we're going to explain one more time. Salting in a proper amount can also affect the taste of transmittal. Okay, so meaning in other words, if you salt only a little, nothing is going to happen. Okay, this is known in Talmudic terminology maliach kesoreach. Salting is equivalent to heat. Again, heat meaning cooking. However, salting differs from soaking with regard to the area affected of the taste transmittal. So soaking meaning that you put something like in a water or liquid. I don't want to say water, like in any liquid, and it's going to absorb all of the taste, right? And we said taste from the liquid. The liquid is going to absorb from the walls of utensil. While soaking can transmit taste, or opposite, it can give out taste. Okay. While the soaking cannot transmit taste throughout the food, right? Meaning, especially if we're talking about like long period, like 24 hours, right? Salting can transmit taste on a klipa. So klipa is like outer shell, like they say not shell, the feet peeled, right? The amount to be feet peeled. So like tiniest amount. There is the tiniest outer surface of the food, at least on like immediately. Right? Salting different from soaking with regard to the amount of time necessary to affect the taste transmittal. While soaking affect only after foods have soaked for a specific period of time, foods that are salted together transmit taste to one another immediately. Okay, that's a big difference.